Flower wall painting ideas bring a sense of charm, freshness, and elegance to any interior space. Whether you're updating a bedroom, living room, or even a hallway, floral designs add a natural and calming touch. In 2025, flower wall painting trends are blending artistic expression with modern minimalism. From soft watercolor blooms to bold oversized petals, there are endless ways to transform a plain wall into a piece of art. One popular idea is the watercolor flower mural. These designs are soft, dreamy, and perfect for creating a relaxed atmosphere. Think of light pink cherry blossoms flowing across a white wall or delicate lavender flowers in subtle shades. They work beautifully in bedrooms or reading corners, bringing in a gentle, feminine vibe. For a more dramatic look, consider bold botanical flowers *** with deep colors like burgundy, navy, and emerald green. These work well on feature walls in living rooms or dining areas and give the space a rich, stylish feel. Oversized roses, sunflowers, or peonies with dark outlines can create a statement and act as the focal point of the room. If you prefer something more artistic, try abstract floral patterns. These designs are modern and work with contemporary decor. You can mix colors like coral, teal, and gold to create a unique blend that adds personality and creativity to your space. Another trending idea is monochrome floral outlines, especially in minimalist homes. Black or gray flower sketches on white walls look clean and elegant. These are ideal for home offices or hallways and give the space a gallery-like feel. Don't forget about *accent wall corners. You can paint trailing vines or climbing roses from the bottom of the wall to the ceiling, adding vertical movement and a touch of whimsy. Whether you're painting yourself or hiring an artist, flower wall paintings offer endless possibilities. Choose designs that match your personality and complement your furniture and color scheme. Floral art doesn't just decorate a wall. It breathes life and beauty into your home.